is Dustin Hornbuckle, and I'm a board member for Habitat for Humanity of Marshall County. We're here at Lake Guntersville today on this beautiful day. We had an amazing turnout this year. We had over 20 teams show up, about 500, 600 people in attendance, and we're hoping that next year we can increase that number to 30 boats or maybe more.
My name is Jessica. I'm with New Covenant Baptist Church. We love the opportunity just to come out and be together and see what's going on in our community, and just to be a part of something that's so big. I mean, that can actually change people's lives.
My name is Donna Bryant. I'm with Mitchell Grocery. I work in the advertising department. It is so much fun. I had no idea that Habitat was even here. I came from West Texas and was really familiar with Habitat back there, and was so excited to find out Habitat was here. So we signed up for dragon boat races, and here we are raising money. And we've talked to so many people, and they're coming back next year, and they're bringing more people. So hopefully we'll have 40 boats next year and raise a ton of money and build tons of houses.
I'm Charlie Williams. I'm the President and CEO of Citizens Bank and Trust. This is our second year in the Habitat competition. We came in second last year. Our employees actually love this, and this is something that we enjoy doing because Habitat is such a critical part of the community, and I'm pleased to see the way it's growing. It's exciting for us to be back out for our second year. We have a number of people that have signed up, and unfortunately the activity around this race has, we may have more employees wanting to do it than we have seats in our boat. But it's exciting to be out here, and as a bank, part of our focus is volunteering in the community, and this is something truly special for us. So it's our pleasure to be here.